Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually replace a word right in Notepad on this Windows 11. First and foremost, how we're going to get the WordPad. Alright, we can come right here at the start menu right here. If you notice, this is WordPad. If you don't see it, you literally type over here. So I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on it, eventually, you're going to see exactly what it look like. So I'm going to open it up, right? If you notice right here, right, if you notice plus Control plus. So it's right here, so you have the control and the plus. If you wanted to increase all of this, all you have to do, you just press the control and the plus, and if you notice, the word actually increase. Just the same, right? But definitely, I wanted to replace one of these words. Right, I'm going to replace this word, but I'm going to replace this word. Normally I find it in a Microsoft Word, Google Doc and all that. Normally find that right here in the notepad. But no, I'm going to do that. Right, so this is what I want to replace. Right, so I want to click right here, say edit rather. You come out right here that says replace. Now when I click on it, this is what happens. So we're going to type the word greetings in it, just like that. So I'm going to replace it with MARK. And then I'm going to come right here. Notice right here, it's replace all, but that's only replacing this one. So I'm going to click on replace. All right. Click it again. And I say, okay. So I'm going to close this. And if you notice right here, actually replace it. Definitely. So this is what I say we can actually do right in your notepad. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.